Hi nail lovers, welcome back to Alo Nails. If you're new to my channel, welcome, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. So today we are unboxing Red Iguana. And I got these for my hand, practice hand. Let me see if I can stretch it. And then I got some base coat, gel polish. Oh, how cute. Look, hearts. She sent hearts. I have some medium pink builder UV LED. I have, what else do I have? The beige builder UV LED. I got a small one. And then I think I have more nail polishes because I was looking for nude. So let me open up this bag and show you what else I have aside from a whole bunch of hearts, little hearts that she put. You see that? So let me open this up. And I have a whole bunch of goodies. So that's what I have here. Gel polishes, yep. I got my Nicole. I have my, which one is this one? Westminster. Look how cute. I have my sand, which I'm dying to try. All right, what else do I have? What is this? Oh, this is top coat. Yeah, I want to try her top coat. Gel polish, blush. Okay. I think I got another sand. I did. Let me see. Yep. And let's see. Trying to make this. And then what else do we have here? Gel polish. Yeah, I'm trying to get all the neutral colors, but this is foil. I wanted to try her foil because she makes it look so easy. And what is this? Natural pink, right? And what is this? Primer. Yeah, let's try her primer. This one I wanted milky white. Milky white. What is this one? I can't see. Rosy. Yeah, this is rosy. And last but not least, I got two rosies. So that's pretty much it. Oh, and I got me a, oh, this is cool. Complimentary tube. I guess this is to pick up any little thing. I like that. Awesome. Look how cute. Thank you. And this is what I got. And this is the Red Iguana polish system. Explaining to you. And oh, thank you, Idalia. Oh, how cute. Let's see. Hello, love. Thank you so much for your order. We hope you enjoy all your goodies. April and Annalisa. That is so cute. Thank you for putting it all together, right? Well, there you have it. So pretty much, let me just get all my nail polishes together. I'm gonna show you. I wanted to try her polishes because they look amazing, you know. But I got one base build, one top coat. I got natural pink. I got bland. I got blush. All right, I got rosy. What else did I get? 2 rosies. Okay. I got milky white. All right. I got gel polish, blush. I got foil. I wanted to try her foil. I got Nicole. I forgot Westminster, right? And I got the medium Builder Gel UV. Medium pink. I wanted to try and see that. I wanted that. And sand. I got sand. Blush. Oh, I just dropped one. Bear with me. So, wow, there you have it. My stash unboxing Red Iguana. Thank you so much. And for the next one, we're gonna do the swiping of the nail polishes. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share, and comment below. And I'll see you on the next tutorial of swiping for Red Iguana nail polishes, gel polishes, sorry. Thank you. Peace.